Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode on Binance application using your iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. If you want to turn on or enable dark mode on Binance so that it would be easier for your eyes or various other regions, the first thing to do is to tap open Binance application from your app drawer and make sure that you are logged in. The homepage of Binance on your iPhone will look like this once you log in. As you can see that the Binance application has a white default background. In order to change that into a darker one, tap on the human icon located at the top left-hand corner of the screen. This will bring you up over this page right here. From the several options, if you scroll all the way down and tap on the settings button, this will open up the settings menu. Tap on appearance and you'll be able to see three options displayed. Select dark option in order to turn on dark mode or enable dark mode on Binance application. That is how it can be done. There's another way to do this as well. From the main homepage, simply tap on the human icon at the top left and at the top right next to the microphone icon. You should see this button right here. Simply give it a tap in order to turn on and off the dark mode on Binance app. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.